Let's use the long division. Whenever you do the long division, the dividend always has to go on the inside and the divisor always goes on the outside. The very first thing I have to do is to move the decimal point up. Very important. Keep it in the same vertical line. 5 goes into 23 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. So I have 3. I bring down 5. 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. So I have 0. I bring down the 5. 5 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. So when I do minus 5, I get 0. So my answer is going to be 47.1. I want you to realize how my numbers are lined up. Let's try another one. Let's use the long division. Again, I will remove the decimal point right here. Then I will start with 27. 8 goes into 27 3 times. See how I put 3 above 7? I don't put it here. I don't put it just anywhere. Because I'm using 27, the last digit is 7, so I have to put that number above 7. 3 times 8 is 24, minus, so I have 3, bring down 6. 8 goes into 36 4 times. You see how I put 4 above 6? 4 times 8 is 32. I have 4. I bring down 8. 8 goes into 48 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 34.6. How about, I don't want my divisor to be a decimal number, so I will multiply by 10. I will also multiply by 10 here on the inside, so I end up with 16 on the outside. On the inside I end up with 89.6, and then I move the decimal point up here. Then 16 goes into 89 how many times? Let's try maybe 5 and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you can try another one. So 5 times 16 is actually 80. So that's good. Subtraction, I have 9, bring down 6. 16 goes into 96 how many times? It's 6, because 6 times 16 is 96. So the answer is 5.6. How about this one? I move the decimal point up. 6 goes into 1 0 time, so I put 0 here. 0 times 6 is 0, so I bring down the 6. 6 goes into 16 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12, so I bring down the 8. 6 goes into 48 8 times, so the answer is 0.28. I put the decimal point up here. 4 goes into 0 0 time, so I put 0 here. 4 times 0 is 0. Subtraction, so that gives me 0. I bring down another 0. Still that's 0. 0 times 4 is 0, so I bring down the 9. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtraction, I have 1. I bring down the 6, and 4 goes into 16 4 times, and 4 times 4 is 16, so the answer is 0.024.